Hello, friends! Today we are going to talk about positional words. I know, a fancy word, positional. That's a fancy word that means where things might be, like above or below, on top of. Kind of like when we say, oh, it's under my bed, or it's inside that drawer. So, let's practice these words together. We're going to use my little blue truck, and we're going to use a few of my animals. All right, so let's get started. Here's my cow. Where is the cow? The cow is in the truck. Is he? He's in the truck. And what about the horse? He's behind the truck. That's right. What about the chicken? He's in front of the truck. Very good. In front of the truck. Let's do the cow again. And the cow is below or under. Very good. The truck. That's correct. The horse. Come here, horse. Where's the horse? The horse is behind. The horse is behind the truck. The horse is behind the truck. Very good. Very good. You can keep practicing all of these words using other toys or other things you might have in your house, all right? Keep practicing.